Hey everyone, welcome to Artland. For today's fun Valentine's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw two cartoon Valentine's avocados. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with my Valentine's avocados, we need to make a couple big sad faces. I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to curl up and down like this. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll draw another little line that just curls up and down. These are going to be the tops of our avocados. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, it's going to curl around and then come back. So we just want to go out nice and round. And then we're just going to bring it right back up to here. Same thing over here, we're just going to go out, make it nice and round. And we're just going to connect it together. Next, inside of here, we're going to just kind of repeat this shape. So I'm just going to draw another line that just goes right around the inside of here. Now, starting inside of here, we want to add a couple little eyes. So to do this, I'm just going to make a little circle here, and then another one right over here. Then I'm just going to add a smaller circle inside of each one. And I'm just going to color this in. I'm also going to do the same thing over here. So we're just going to make one little circle here, leave some space, and then make another little circle right here. And then we'll repeat the same thing with the little circles. Then starting here, we're going to add a little smiley face right in between the eyes of each one. And then we want to draw the inside part of each of these, kind of like where the little seed would be. So starting here, we're just going to make a nice little heart shape since these are Valentine's avocados. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and it's going to curve down. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go out and then curve down for a heart shape. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. We're just going to go out and curve down. And then over here too, we're going to go out and curve down. And next, right in the middle here, we're just going to add another little small heart right in between here just to kind of make it a little bit more of a Valentine's themed avocado. But there you go. There is your drawing of some Valentine's avocados. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.